training session, we're going to go over how to clear your store's cache and what cache is. Now, where you want to head to first is go to Settings on your top navigational bar, and then Site Speed. Here you're going to see two accordions, Page Caching and Content Delivery Network. Well, what does that mean? Page caching is going to be where you can flush your store's cache. Now, by clicking on this accordion, you're going to see Flush All Stores. You also are going to see some checkboxes to the left next to some stores, and you see it have a 2-hour duration. What this means is that this is automatically flushing your store's cache for you every 2 hours. Now, what is cache? Cache is something that can linger on the server. So, example, let's say you've added in 10 products and you went to your storefront and you're not seeing them on your site. That's caching. Caching can be extremely annoying and it can be tedious, and you might think that you're not doing something right when in the end you're setting up everything perfectly and it's just caching so that it's taking a little bit longer to show on your storefront. By coming into your settings and site speed, you can go ahead and flush all stores cache by clicking on this blue button. You also can flush a specific store. Now, highly suggest if you do not have a specific duration in here, 2 hours is a really good time frame to put in and have your store automatically flush for you every 2 hours. Now, it's as simple as just checking the box and going ahead and put 2 hours in there, and you will save your changes. Now, your second accordion is Content Delivery Network, or CDN. Now, what your Content Delivery Network is it allows to see the closest server to you and bounce information off of that. So instead of, maybe your store is based in New York, but you don't have your Content Delivery Network on, so it's the closest server that it's seeing, or maybe, it's just seeing a server in Arizona and it's bouncing information off of that. Then you can kind of see some slower speeds as well. Now, Content Delivery Network can also have a reverse effect. If you keep your Content Delivery Network on all the time and you're making changes in the back end as far as maybe adding more products, adding artwork, all of that good stuff, you're going to see your site slow down drastically. So with that being said, a lot of people will actually bookmark this page here. They'll go ahead and start it, and this is the page that every time they get logged into the site, they are coming to this page first. And what they'll do is they'll go ahead and open up their Content Delivery Network. They'll click on the store itself, and they'll go ahead and flip their Content Delivery Network off when they're coming into the platform and they're making changes. Once they're done with those changes, they'll actually come in and flip it on to InkSoft Edgecast, hit save, and they're good to go. This will help keep things moving quickly. It'll help keep your cache, clear and fresh. Now, again, highly suggest if you're keeping this on all the time and you see some slowness, you're probably going to want to look here first. If this is on, go ahead and just shut it off, hit save, keep it off for 24 hours, and then come back in the next morning, flip it back on, and you're going to see then your Content Delivery Network speed up. If you have any questions over this, please reach out to support on our phone or email, or you can also take a look at our on-page help guide here where it says Site Speed, Video, and Guide.